I am Sham and I'm back with a brand new track. Continuing the home renovation, did some painting of these trims. So there is a little bit of, spillage or overlap, whatever you want to call it. That's why I'm using the spatula, but it's not a big deal since it's going to get covered up. Anyways, so yeah, there you go. Little tour. These windows are going to get painted as well. The trim is some rock so that can fill up the trenches, help level things out, helps with the drainage. Some more trim, and about to start this side. There you go. Sham the handyman.